This liquid nitrogen is super cold. This water coming out of my tap is pretty hot. I know what you're thinking. Time for a heat transfer experiment. Here we go. Want to make a battery? Sure, why not? Need a beaker. You need a porous cup. Some zinc and some copper in strip form. A couple wires, and then a couple LEDs just for fun. You need a copper salt and a zinc salt. Add your copper strip, add your zinc strip. Connect your wires. Then repeat 1, 2, 3 times. Hook them all up in series. Connect an LED. Make sure you do it the right way. Try some other colors too, like orange or even green. Happy holidays. Hope that they are merry and bright. This demonstration's for you. Hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Let's see, what will I need? Some of this, some of this, and some of this. That looks about right. Now for the finishing touches. Share this video with your Valentine. Have a great one. What do you do when people say you know nothing of the dark arts? You grab your magic wand and you show them this. Oh wait, what was that word again? Incendio! Yep, just like that. This is how a chemist opens a can of Pringles. Our can is prepped. We'll let combustion do the rest. Bon appetit! I'm just kidding. This is not how we open Pringles, and you should never eat in the chem lab. But that experiment, that was worth it.
I'm a cabbage. Leafy, chewy, average. Make fish, tacos, magic. Full of folic acid. I'm not a radish. I'm a cabbage. I nailed this challenge.
Welcome to Quarantine Day Infinity. I tried something today and I need your help. Can you explain what's going on? Got about 11.3 grams of ethanol. And here, about 11.3 grams of iron. Watch the mass once I ignite them. So one mass goes up while the other goes down. Lots of things can make it do that, but it's well known for being catalyzed by the iron in your blood. I'm going to show you a negative response by spraying it on this clean area of my tabletop. Gotta be dark though. What is that? Okay, that didn't go as planned. I think it's time we talked about potassium, okay? Potassium is a metal, and it's a soft one. You can cut it with a knife. And like most metals, it's electrically conductive. And one more thing. This stuff reacts violently with water. Got a nice water bath set up. I'm going to add some universal indicator and then stir it up. Potassium, like other alkali metals, will react with water, liberating hydrogen gas and creating a basic solution.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Today, we're making rocket fuel. Let's go. Our fuel has two components. We need to generate some oxygen. We use hydrogen peroxide for that. And we need some hydrogen, which we use by reacting a metal with an acid. The oxygen is going to come out of this container, which I'm going to direct through this little nozzle. Same thing for the hydrogen generator. We're going to store the fuel in a little rocket I've made out of a pipette bulb. We ignite the mixture using a gas grill piezoelectric sparker connected to some speaker wire. Time to launch it. Share this video with someone who needs a little spark in their life. You can do some cool things with liquid nitrogen. Check out what happens when I take it out of the liquid nitrogen bath. Ice in there. I'm going to show you something that you probably didn't know that pennies could do. Check it out. I've got a penny, a beaker, and some acetone. Notice the penny is just above the acetone level. Now watch what happens when I heat the penny up and put it right back in the beaker. I used a torch to heat the penny till it glowed red hot. Notice how it continues to glow red hot even though I'm not applying any more heat to it directly. So what you see here is copper acting as a catalyst. It's oxidizing the acetone. And it'll keep doing this until the acetone runs out of the beaker. Yep, still going. It puts off quite a bit of heat. I can feel it through my nitro gloves. Little chemistry ASMR. Back in the lab. Share this video with someone who needs a little science in their life. It's dark out. Let's do an experiment outside. These are the 4 things we're going to use to make the contraption. Let's make some rust using this.
Whoa!
Share the video with someone who needs some science in their life. So I got a couple Starbucks K-Cups and I shook them. One of them sounds different than the other. I want to see what's up with that. So these are the 2 K-Cups that I got. I think it's time to cut them open and see what's inside. So the holiday one has this weird plastic piece in there. Anybody know what this is used for? You also seem to get more coffee in the holiday blend. Check it out.